Hello and welcome to the Causeway user training series of videos. In this video, we'll be discussing how to find and join an existing workgroup. From the home or landing page, move to the left navigation panel, and under the box that contains the list of workgroups to which you already belong is a button called View Workgroups. Clicking the View Workgroups button will show you all the available work groups, including the ones to which you already belong. On the right-hand side under Status, you'll see there are three possible actions you can take regarding these work groups. Clicking the Join button will automatically add you to the roster for that work group. Clicking a Leave button will do exactly the opposite and remove you from the roster of a work group to which you currently belong. If a workgroup has a Request Access button beside it instead of a Join button, this means that the workgroup has a restricted membership. Clicking the Request Access button will send a message to the leader of that group. You will not be automatically added to the roster for the group, but will have to wait for the leader of the group to moderate your request. Once the leader has viewed your request, if it is accepted, you will be added to the roster. There may be conditions under which the group you wish to join does not appear in the list of work groups. There are a couple of reasons this might occur. The most obvious reason for a work group to not appear is because the settings have been made specifically to hide the group. This group, the hidden work group 1, is showing up on my list because I am actually the chairman of the hidden work group. Any other member going in and looking at view work groups would not see a hidden work group. Another possible scenario in which you might not see the work group you're looking for would be if it is nested underneath a work group that requires all members of subgroups to belong to the main group. Looking at this list, if, for example, the PR task force, which is a subgroup of the marketing and sponsorship work group, had the condition where in order to join the PR task force, you must first be a member of the marketing and sponsorship work group, it would not show up on this list. In order to see the PR task force, you would first have to join the marketing and sponsorship work group. Once added to that group, you would refresh the page and then the PR task force would show up on the list. Once you have joined or requested access to all of the groups in which you have an interest, you can leave this page. And that's all it takes to join a new work group. Thank you.